Hello.
How are you all?
Good, and you?
I'm also good. So for today onwards, as you guess, we are playing the game named as debate. They are my opponent and these are my team. And their topic is city life and our topic is the village life. So without further wasting time, let's begin it.
So according to me, the city life is too much better than the village life. Why? Because in the city life you will find a lot of facility that you are getting. It means in the city. But in the village, what kind of facility you get? Then nothing kind of facility you get except nature. I know that sometimes the city life is not good, but in the facility and in the job, the city life is very great. And the people who are living in the
Do you know about the where can you find a peace, quiet, and the pure air in the village? Because when you go to village, you can do a lot of things. Like if you can make a good relationship with your families as well as things. And on the other hand, when you leave a country.
Okay, so sir, I can say you are living in this city, and why are you coming here? Just for the facilities? Just because you are coming here, because you can get the job facilities, education facilities. In this city, you can find every kind of facilities. Because in the village life, I don't think so. Like you can get the any kind of facilities, because in the village life, if you have to go anywhere, you have to face lots of problems related to the hospital problems, related to the education problem.
Well, as you are talking about that, the majority of the people are living in city but still prefer to live in the village. Let me tell you, just ask to the normal person who is going or pass by to the road, then ask to them that which life is better, village or city, and where they want to live. Definitely they will going to answer that village life is better than city life, because they know the environment, they know about everything, whatever the problems they are facing, no matter they are getting the facilities or what, they still prefer to choose the village life. Why? Because they get the peace, the inner peace they will never get in their city. So that's why the village life is still better than the
Yes, ma'am, you are right. As you said, majority of the people is living in the city, and they just visit their village just for a smaller period of time, just to do the fun, and they came back for their professional life. So city often offer us the opportunity to grow our personal and professional life and fulfill our dreams, which is very much important. Because in the village you can't fulfill your all dreams, but city is offering you the money, you can fulfill your dream and build a beautiful life in a beautiful place. So in my perception, city life is far better than the village life.
Yes, I respect your perspective, what you are thinking, but as you are mentioning that lot of the people that they are not able to prepare and they are not able to include with their dreams. Yes, now listen. Do you know about there lot of people that who are from the village, all right, and even you are also, and they are becoming very much popular because of their village, all right, and they are not coming in the city, they are living in the village. This is the thing that you need to understand. And peace, loyalty, kindness, purity.
Sir, I am also.
You can't get in.
Sir, please listen, sir. I am also from village, but I have to come city. Why? Because there is a good hospitalities, and there is a good education system. There is a good road, bus. This all the facilities which I can get. This is more better for the village life. I also go to the village, because when I leave, when I anything which happen in my village, then I can go. But again, after sometimes again I came to city life, because city life is very fantastic.
Which types of city life that you are talking about it? Do you know about how much the bad environment the city life has, and how much the good environment the village life has? Do you know about it? And about the nature, how much the beautiful nature the village life has? And if I talk about the hospitality that you are talking about it, do you know if there is no patient in the village life? Do you know about it? Because there is no pollution level, the environment is good. It shows that like village life is better than the city life. And one more thing is that someone was saying about,
as sir you are saying that you are telling me the word purity and that all kind of word. Now I would like to tell the word that the facility, like facility, studies, education, that you only find in the city life. Why? Because the city life is very fantabulous kind of life. Even you also get a lot of facility in the city life. As you are or sir, thank you for supporting our team, that you are mentioning that the one means the people come from village to the city and they are getting famous. That is the main reason that why city is very good.
Now
place.
wait and listen properly. I was telling you what facilities you are talking about when your life is not even pure. What facilities you are talking about? Now let me tell you that you are talking about the facilities where the kindness is not there, where the loyalty is not there, where the people are just cheating anyone. Is this a facility or is this the mentality of the city life? Yes, I accept the fact. And I was First, listen properly what I was telling about. I was talking about the lot of peoples, the lot of popularity that who gained only from the village. If you're not believing on me, you can go on the platform. You will get the result. If you're not even believing on me.
So, sir, I would like to listen the name of those people who have gained the popularity from the village, and I would like to compare those people who have gained the popularity in the city. If there is one people who have gained popularity from the village, there is 100 people who have gained popularity from the city. This is the comparison. So think about this, as everyone is talking about the purity, a simple life, a pure air, except that what you have in the village, all the innovation that is happening for the humanity for the future, and this is the fact. In the future, city will grow and village is just like they are happening.
Well, the food you are eating in your city, from where it comes? Definitely from the village. The agriculture, every kind of horticulture, even the fishing happen in the village. That's why you are eating in your couch, in your bed, in your city area. So in this sector, I can say that the village is still better. A lot of farmers are doing hard work, but what they are getting? Nothing. I don't think so they are getting anything, only because of the city's people, because they don't know that how to respect them. So I would like to say that yes, the village life is still better than the city life.
So
Because
just because the food we are getting from the village, that means the village is better. Is it a fact or it is a common sense? Because in the city, all the land we are using for the far better things than just growing the food, and this is the fact. The innovation, the multinational companies who are building our future, the companies who are building not just the future, also helping our body, for more fitter things. So this is the things that
Bro,
is
you are
happening
talking
in the
about the
city.
fitness. Do you know about like how much the good fitness the village life people have? How much the good fitness? Do you know village life people have the good physical health as compared to those people who are living in the city life? Do you know about it? And one more thing is that do you know how much the people are working here? How much the people are doing the hard work here and they are getting the depression? And do you know about in the village life, there are people doing the work and they have the peaceful life. They have the life that they can live in a very simplistic
Yes, sir.
life.
You are talking about village life is good. I don't think village life is good. Because of that, there is no gym. How can say they are fitness in village? Who they live in village? They are not fit. They are unsafe. They have no any kinds of mind. They are running anything. They are like jump into the drain. They are jump into the like river. I don't know what kinds of thinking of that. And there is no money. There is
Do you
no
know
business.
about
There is a
the-
business in the city life.
Do you know about how many student suicide in the, especially of the city, because they are under the pressure as well as stress and anxiety. There's a lot of symptom you can find, and then you live a city, definitely you have this kind of problems and you are struggling day by day. And on the other hand, when you think about the village life, they are free of this kind of.
Okay, so sir, like as you all are from the village also. So why are you all are not living in your village? Why you all are coming to the cities? Because you are getting the facilities here. You can't get the proper education in your village. You can't learn the English as you are learning here. You can't learn the English from your village. You can't learn the computer classes from your village. You know the line, for getting something you have to lose something. So for getting the facilities you have to lose the nature of, you have to lose the village also, village life also. And in the cities, what kind of
That's
facilities?
why you are getting and why you can see the nature only in village, because people do migration from their village and come to the city and pollute their cities. This is the biggest disadvantage the people are doing.